Okay. The video started. So basically, I got this slime and it's gloopy. Very gloopy and just opening it. And if you have a look at it, it's so wet and bubbly, doesn't it? It is. So I got that on the table. Oh my god, look at how gloopy that is. So you can pour out. I would not be a professional at doing satisfying videos. Oh, what are you doing with my other slime? Okay.
This is a recycling bin.
When you have gloopy slime. Hashtag meaning when you have gloopy slime in. Oh, stop it. You trash. I got a hoard. I can't get it all out. Oh my gosh, it's taking ages.
You literally have to bite this thing. It's ripping off.
Wait, I'm going to put the camera down for a minute. I'm trying to get all the slime out. Oh my god. Oh, ew. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Okay. Look how sticky this is. Just have a look how sticky that is. It's getting stuck to my fingers. It's so wet, actually. It's all the Doritos, non-flavored Doritos, basically.
It is disgusting.
And chemicals. So it looks like a net. Oh my god, I like this kind of, in a way. Not because of the smell, but the netting, because you can make a huge net.
It's not netting.
I call it netting anyways, I don't care. How do I do? It's like jiggly slime, you know jiggly slime? And it doesn't take long to come off my fingers. Pretty slippy and it's pretty trendy for a slime. Oh, look at that. That was crazy. And then you got a window. Look. You looking at me? Yeah, so that looks great.